Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video right here, I'm going to show you how to collect emails, websites, Facebook URLs, LinkedIn URLs, Instagram URLs, pretty much all the information from a company or a person that you want to reach out to on social media or LinkedIn or email, whatever it is. So basically you're going to be creating a CRM or a customer database. So let's just jump right into it. I promise you, this video is a game changer. You're going to want to watch all the way to the end. Trust me. I bet you. So, how much does this cost? $0.0.0.0.0.0. So pretty much it's free. All you have to use is a tool called phantombuster and Google Sheets. Both of those are free. phantombuster is free for 14 days, and then you could continue, or you could just use it for 14 days and build a database of how many URLs that you want or companies. So let's just jump right into it. So this is my database that I created. As you can see, it's sorted by category, different cities, different websites, emails, Facebook URLs, LinkedIn URLs, pretty much everything that you need. It even has a section for follow, date, platform, how, and pretty much whatever you want to add. So let's just see how I did that. First thing you're going to do is download Link Grabber. Link Grabber is a tool that lets you download your Google search results or anything that has links on it. So let's just see how it looks like this. Okay. So download that. Next, what you're going to do is go to phantombustercom. So you're going to go here. You're going to click on email. Then you're going to click on data scraping crawler. Okay. So what you're going to do is do option 2, the URL of a Google Sheet. So go back to your Google Sheet. I'm going to hit share. You're going to copy that into phantombuster. So I forgot to show you guys. So how I got that was I basically did a Google search. I typed in New York plumber. New York plumber shows basically the top plumbers or the top websites that show up from a Google search. After I did that, I clicked on the tool, the link grabber tool, and then it did this. Then after I got all these names, I copied it into a Google Sheets. I took out all the names that didn't make sense, like Google Contact or Thumbtack or Angie's List or Facebook or Yelp. Deleted all those, and it came out with 72 results. This is actually Sacramento, not New York, so it's a different one that I did earlier. So that's that. And then you see I copied that link. And that's And then you go to phantombuster, paste it in here, hit save. So what data do you want to scrape? Email address, phone number, Facebook page, Instagram profile, Twitter profile, LinkedIn page, YouTube channel. I want it all. Why not? But usually if you don't want to use a lot of time, you shouldn't get it all. And these options, I kind of change them to kind of get the way I want it. So you could kind of change it to what you want and just kind of see what works best from you. So let's see. The Phantom will be open the home page. Phantom will open the home page and all the pages linked to it. So let's just keep it the way it is. Let's change that to 5. Hit save. So number of websites to process per launch. Let's do 5. Manually, just try it out for a sample. Okay, so now we have that. Now we're just going to hit launch. So it's running. So what you're going to do is just basically push that, and then once the data comes back, it's going to come back in the form of a Google Sheets or a CSV. You could just save it to Google Sheets, and then you take that data and you just copy it and you start creating a database, and then eventually it'll look like this. So you just type in different cities, different places, whatever, wherever you want, different countries, whatever. And then that way you start collecting all the data. Then you can go into MailChimp, create an email list, start sending emails, or you could just call them, or you could just follow them on social media, comment on their profiles, see if they need help, see if they like your posts. Just reach out. So for example, when I create this database, I don't necessarily contact people. What I do is I follow them, and then organically they like my posts and they see what I post, and it all makes sense because I purposely align with them. So now that way they see the websites that I create. Oh wow, he creates nice websites for plumbers. So obviously they might click on my plumber website now and see how good I did for other clients, and they want to work with me. So it's just something that you kind of want to, just another tool to add to the tool belt. There's plenty of ways you could do it, but this way it's just another option, and it's free. Especially if you're just starting out with an agency, or if you can't find clients, this way will really help you find clients. So yeah, if you want a link to this database, just let me know. I can email it to you. Drop a link in the comment. Say LINK, and I will email you this. Or I'll just give you my email, and you can reach out and ask for it. But it's pretty simple to make. And you can just sort it like this. So for example, you just want to work with only, let's say, lawn service and pest control. There you go. So it's pretty much like a database, CRM, whatever you want to call it. And that's it after it's cleaned. So now let's go back here. So it's still 48%. It's not done yet. And this Google Sheet, I'll send this to you, or just paste in the description. You can read it. So it's pretty much easy to do. So this is the method that I use to basically get emails, all data. So I'm going to end the video, and if you have any questions or you want to see the final result, just let me know and I can email it to you, and you can check it out as a sample. And have a great day. Thank you.